Now just over here we found a little building. The guy inside's making tatami mats, so I'm going to go inside and see whether we can do a little bit of filming. Just ask him if he can show us how he makes the tatami. How exciting. Tatami is tatami, yeah?
Tatami.
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 Ah, it's cool. So you're making here. So here's a guy actually making tatami mats. Never seen it made before. So you can see you've got this lovely sandwich here. That's okay. So he's edging and he's stitching. Straw base, filter tatami out. This thing is going to clamp onto it. Stretch out. The rack comes down, clamps it down. Wow, amazing. And this comes along. It's going to stitch. Stitched on a little fabric along the edge of the tatami. Folded back like this one, folded over to get the seam. Tatami base, and then the sides they have a loose glass edge to them here. Then it comes over to this machine, stitches on the edge, and then wraps it over and stitches it on with this. Sort of like an overlocking stitch along here. Now he's trimming off the excess. So they're pretty thick, these tatami bases, yeah? Pretty thick. And I think what happens, Michelle, is he's putting that on. I don't think he probably has to put a fabric on the underside. No. That just stitches it up. Thank you. Arigatou gozaimasu. Thank you. Ah, thank you. Thank you. How beautiful. So we've got a sample, a beautiful sample here.
Yoshitomi.
Yoshitomi.
Hi.
Yoshitomi. Ah, thank you. Arigatou gozaimasu. Yoshitomi.
Hi.
Thank you. So we're outside this gorgeous little building, and inside Yoshitomi is making tatami mats. He's given me a beautiful little sample here. Oh man, we'll treasure that. I really treasure that. I've seen the tatami mats being made. Got a lovely little sample. That is so good.
Cool, eh?
Yeah. I'm really stoked that we took a moment to go in and have a chat with the guy there. I mean, what a craft, and how kind of him to give us our own little piece of tatami to take away as a souvenir. Fantastic. And we got this beautiful cherry blossom time. Just the start of the cherry blossom season here in Japan. What a great day. A tatami, cherry blossom, Shalina hoodie.
Don't use that.